In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Discord with Asana 2008 step by step. By the end, you'll have an automation that posts updates from Asana straight into a Discord channel so your team can see changes in real time without switching tabs. First, pick an integration platform that connects Asana and Discord. Popular options include Zapier, LateNode, and Pipedream. Any of these will work well, so choose the one you're comfortable with or that fits your plan limits. Log into that platform and look for the button to create a new automation. Different tools call it a workflow, automation, or a zap, but they all start the same way. You'll define a trigger from Asana and an action in Discord. Start by setting up the Asana trigger. Select Asana as the trigger app, then choose the event that should kick things off, like new task, updated task, or completed task. Connect your Asana account and approve the permissions. Next, pick the specific workspace and project you want to monitor so you don't get noise from unrelated work. Before moving on, run a quick trigger test. If you don't see sample data, create or update a test task in the chosen project and try again. This confirms the platform can pull the fields you'll want to use later. Now set up the Discord action. Search for Discord as the action app, then choose send channel message. Connect your Discord account and authorize access to the server. Select the server and the exact channel where you want the messages to appear. Make sure you have permission to post to that channel and consider using a dedicated updates channel to keep notifications organized. Customize your message by mapping data from the Asana trigger. Include the task name, project, due date, assignee, and a link to the task if it's available. Keep the message clear and scannable, and add consistent prefixes like new task or completed so your team knows what type of update it is. Preview or test this step to see exactly how it will appear in Discord. If formatting doesn't look right, adjust the text and fields and test again until it's clean and readable. When everything looks good, enable or publish the integration. From now on, whenever the trigger event happens in Asana, your chosen Discord channel will receive an automatic notification. Do a final end-to-end check by creating or updating a task in the selected project and confirming the message arrives. For ongoing reliability, give your workflow a clear name, keep an eye on run logs, and update filters or fields if your Asana structure changes. That's it. Your Asana to Discord integration is live and ready to keep your team aligned.